It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Okay, rock, paper, scissors for it. Rock, paper, scissors for it. Rock, paper, scissors.
Put it down. Put it down.
Okay.
Put it down.
Rock, paper, scissors. 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 Rock, paper, scissors.
No, it's mine. No.
So it's Cards Against Humanity. Yeah.
Peace, fools.
Cool. It's whatever.
I'm going to play handball.
Yeah. Bye. Turn it off.
You have to open it.
Okay. Why do you film it like that? Only retards film it vertically. Fuck.
Cool, go right.
Are you retarded? Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Where's the knife? Give me a knife, Bridget.
There you go.
Cool, thanks. So I guess it did deliver Sunday because it says Sunday delivery, but I guess we were so busy and just we didn't even because they put it in the front door and we never use the front door.
Oh yeah, they do.
So,
I forgot.
My dad like tripped over it. He's like, "What the heck?" And I thought they didn't deliver it because it was Sunday. Dang, all fancy. Aww. Keep your gift a surprise. Oh, it's wrapped too. That's cool.
Beer.
Enclosed within this box is the key to true happiness. Hashtag Euro, hashtag game, hashtag fun, hashtag excitement, hashtag such wow,
Oh my
hashtag much cool, hashtag friends, hashtag Bridget don't open this, hashtag happy birthday, hashtag AHSJT, hashtag J money, AK, whatever, a bunch of words. Jesse Sartorius Alvarado III. Cool. Let me open this. Oh, that's a bunch of tape. Oops, I'm ripping the note. Damn it! Is this like made by gods or something? Dude, I'll just open it from here. Ooh. It's Christmas. That's cool. That's sick. Pretty amazing. Best game ever. Yes, it is. Age of 17 plus. So you can't play this, Bridget. A party game for horrible people. Yeah. Thanks, Jesse. You the best. And I love the note. It was pretty awesome. And the packaging. And this. Whatever this is. Oh. Oh, it's your note. Cool. Thanks, buddy. Bye.